super healthy and delicious Brussels sprouts recipe. Prepared in air fryer in unique way. Please feel free to subscribe my channel. Wash 400 grams of Brussels sprouts. Cut into 2 parts. A bowl. One tablespoon olive oil. Mix well. One teaspoon garlic ginger paste. 1 teaspoon crushed coriander seeds. 1 teaspoon red chilli powder. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1/2 teaspoon chilli flakes optional. 1/2 teaspoon crushed black pepper. 1/2 teaspoon cumin powder. 1 tablespoon ground garbanzo flour. 1 tablespoon crushed peanut. 1 teaspoon sesame seeds. Salt to taste. Mix well. Add 1 tablespoon more olive oil. Mix well. Preheat air fryer. Place in the basket. Spread evenly. Set at 180 degrees C for 15 minutes. In the meantime, place 1 diced onion in left-out mixture bowl. 1/2 diced bell pepper capsicums. Coat well. After 5 minutes, stir it. After 2 to 3 minutes, mix onion and bell pepper. Keep on stirring on regular basis. Once ready, take this out. Please feel free to subscribe my channel.